Check out this cheap 2020 Gladiator Overland. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, included, tip-start transmission, skid plate select speed control, Alpine premium audio system, black clear coat, premium black sunroof soft top, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display, black leather trim bucket seats included, premium wrapped IP bezel leather wrapped shift knob full-length floor console premium armrest leather wrapped park brake handle rear armrest with cup holder seat, LED lighting group included, daytime running lamps LED accents LED park turn lamps front LED fog lamps LED reflector headlamps LED tail lamps and all-weather slush mats. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one.